Dear students, in this video we will discuss the concept of increasing and decreasing function. And in this topic we will discuss what is increasing function, what is decreasing function, and how derivative will help us to determine whether the function is increasing or decreasing. So let us have look on the screen. So let us discuss first increasing function. In any function, if x is increasing and then f of x is also increasing, then function is increasing function. It means in any function, if we increase input and then output also increases, it means function is increasing function. And here I have taken one linear function f of x equals to x plus 2, so that you can easily understand the simple meaning of increasing function. Function is f of x equals to x plus 2. You see, as we are increasing input, we are increasing input from 0 to 1, 1 to 2. You see, output is also increasing 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. In this function, as we increase the input and output also increases, it means this function is increasing function. And if we observe its graphical representation, you see, as we move from left to right, the height of the graph continuously increasing. For this reason, this function is said to be increasing function. Now let us discuss decreasing function. In any function, if x is increasing and f of x is decreasing, then function is decreasing function. It means in any function, if we increase input and output decreases, then function is decreasing function. I have also taken here linear function f of x equals to minus x plus 3. You see, as we are increasing input 0 to 1, 1 to 2, output is decreasing 3 to 2, 2 to 1. It means this function is decreasing function. And if we observe its graphical representation, you can see as we move from left to right, the height of the graph is continuously decreasing. For this reason, this function is said to be decreasing function. Let us take now one non-linear function. Now I have taken a function f of x equals to x squared, and you have already familiar with this function. You know that its graphical representation is parabola. If I ask you, is it increasing function or decreasing function? What do you think? Then you will speak, sir, right side of the origin function is increasing function, because right side of the origin height of the graph is continuously increasing. It means right side of the origin function is increasing function. And here you will speak, sir, left side of the origin the height of the graph continuously decreasing. It means left side of the origin this function is decreasing function. Now let us discuss the case of increasing and decreasing function on an intervals. It means increasing function strictly increasing, decreasing function strictly decreasing, and neither increasing nor decreasing. So let us discuss with the help of one example. Now I have taken function f of x equals to sin x, and I have taken one part of the graph of this function from minus pi to pi. And here if I'll ask you, is it increasing function or a decreasing function? What do you think? Then you will speak, sir, from 0 to pi by 2, moving from left to right, the height of the graph is increasing. Sir, from 0 to pi by 2, the function is increasing. And pi by 2 to pi, moving from left to right, the height of the graph is decreasing. Then from pi by 2 to pi, the function is decreasing. That's right. If you ask me one question, sir, we are having graphical representation of the function. We check and we see in which interval function is increasing or decreasing. Is there any way or method so that without graphical representation we'll come to know in which interval function is increasing or decreasing? Yes, we are having the way. Here derivative will help us to overcome from this situation. So let us discuss. Let us consider first interval 0 to pi by 2, and in this interval function is increasing, and you know that from 0 to pi by 2 slope of the tangent at any point on this curve from 0 to pi by 2 is always positive, because from 0 to pi by 2 at any point, if you draw a tangent at any point, it makes acute angle from the positive direction of x-axis. It means slope is positive, or slope is nothing but f derivative x. If you will say, sir, at pi by 2 slope of the tangent is not positive, you are right. Because if we draw tangent at pi by 2, it is parallel to x-axis. And we know that any line parallel to x-axis, slope is always 0. So at this point, at pi by 2, slope of the tangent is, which is known as f derivative x, equals to 0. So this function is increasing in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So in this interval, I mean 0 to pi by 2, this function is increasing. And when this function was increasing, you see from 0 to pi by 2, slope of the tangent at any point, it is positive, I mean greater than 0, or it can be at one point equals to 0. So what is the condition of increasing function is? That is f derivative x greater than or equals to 0. Any function in the given interval, if its f derivative x is greater than or equals to 0, it means in that interval function is increasing. Here you might have observed from 0 to pi by 2, where pi by 2 is not included, this function is continuously increasing. It means from 0 and pi by 2 is not included, mean pi by 2 I'll use here open bracket, this function is strictly increasing. And what is the condition? In this condition we have not accepted this one, f derivative x equals to 0. Then condition for strictly increase is f derivative x greater than 0. Now you can take the interval pi by 2 to pi, where the function is decreasing, and you see from pi by 2 to pi, the slope of the tangent at any point on this curve is always negative, because if we draw tangent at any point on this curve from pi by 2 to pi, it gives obtuse angle, obtuse theta from positive direction of x-axis. It means it gives us negative slope. So here it gives us slope is negative. Negative mean less than 0. Now you can see from pi by 2 to pi, if I will not include pi by 2, I mean I will not include pi by 2, I will use here open bracket, pi by 2 to pi, this function is strictly decrease. So condition for strictly decrease is f derivative x less than 0. And this function is decreasing in the interval pi by 2. If pi by 2 I will include here up to pi, this function is decreasing function. Then what is the condition for decreasing function? F derivative x equals to 0 and f derivative x less than 0. We can say that f derivative x less than or equals to 0. If I ask a question, is this function is increasing or decreasing in the interval 0 to pi, in the closed interval 0 to pi, what do you think? And if you speak, sir, it is increasing and decreasing both, because in this interval it is increasing, in this interval it is decreasing, then I will speak, you have to speak any one, increasing or decreasing. You are not able to speak. So this is the case of neither increasing nor decreasing. So once again, any function in any interval, if it is increasing as well as decreasing, then function is neither increasing nor decreasing. Hope so you have understood the concept of increasing and decreasing function.